welcome to our channel. It's me Risa Debarma.
And it's me Gautam Debarma.
And so jeng cheni video sok start na na ge sana ne mu chungo norok chungno support khlai jadi te norok chungno support khlai kang kang ke se jeng te we encourage ngai kang ke norok jodi no cheni videos khlai mani norok chungno chaja kang kang ke ba norok chungni cheni channel no subscribe khlai di te
Bell icon press kha di
so that norok jeng je kuni videos jeng upload khlai kang norok mana nam hai da ke norok tai chungno next videos ro ga tam khlai na ni mu chung kha ba je kuni suggestion ni ke sing khlai mani chaya ro kong kha chung to borok lena mistake ngai so no cheno comment is hade che de saja kha chaja gam te hero sawi manota ngen ka so chenti ne or video so tu phaija iko hachu tong or jaga wo te
and pears
ngen kai ko hachu mo ngan ke omoka watermelon ro chenje man abuno ma tu khata so here we start okay.
It's too sweet.
And this is much more better than last time, no?
It's too sweet.
Cuma sih pro paling mana itu aroma yang lezatnya dah.
Yeah. I'll test watermelon. Just, it's so red.
Actually, jeng, asik watermelon jeng, asik tam channai, asik gezak man liya. Tangke might be more sing suku ini sekarang man bagi sing kena, ada?
Yeah, but it's very tasty. It's very sweet.
Apa tu?
Next, yeah, I'll test this.
Apa
Yeah, Thai semua I'll try. Hai chúng bay mà cái mò tòm.
What is that?
Pear.
Còn cái này
Yeah, let me try the pears. This should gold. And we have got knife to cut the pears. Oh, karigate. This pears is very tasty.
hai tu coba caman bagam sekarang nanya hari ni dah.
Terus tiga desa. Kami aram tu nanya nunggu.
But
watermelon sama saya dia tahu tak?
watermelon juga sitrapan pega era means looks to asaknya but yeah all taste koguno time sabse anang liya
Kilang sensu.
해 주무 sabse anang liya mai bite oinu ko thokni bagida thogo
Yeah, come here.
anh thấy chúng ta phi cái nằm wow tin ini cái này đi thấy chụp please đâu okay
Yeah, wait, hey, I'll try. I'll try this watermelon stick.
colorless
Yeah. But it's very tasty, it's very sweet.
anh ơi thấy chụp gì biết sao không thấy chụp bữa
Yeah, it's very sweet.
mango also seems to be like it doesn't seem to be like tasty, you know, but wow, the taste is really good. You won't believe me. Nó được chưa mày bác sang cái taste cái măng không mà phân thọc à?
Yeah, it's very sweet.
Wow. So đôi rong nông nó sinh sản nên một chung video số tôi chọn khai chụp lọc sắc và watermelon lọc sắc next video số nó chọn tam khơi nên một chung nó chọn nó comment đi sao mà nó if in case nó chọn cái cái bộ feel free to tell we don't mind. Sai đi nó chọn nó sao nó chọn muốn sang lạc.
ซึ่งสามันนี่สิเล่นสักขายใหญ่ๆกินตั้มขายใหญ่
ตั้มขายน้ำมุจุจามันนี่สาระแต่ว่าพวกหนู means like ยังยุ่งทางมันนี่ป้าหนูค่ะ but เจ้าคุณนรกมุสุงค่ะบ้านรกชินบางทีผู้ชายมันนั่นมุสุงค่ะจึงจะเราเป็นบริบาลที่
But we are best friend. Friend.
นรก
Friend.
yeah ไม่บินนรกวันทุกมันโอ้โหจะเราเป็นบริบาลแต่ but นรกชินมุสุงค่ะ if in case you can ask us feel free don't mindจึง사원 암대 해당해서 너는 비디오 사자 한게 다시 한번 사비로 다시 너는 채널 너 subscribe 클라이디 네 벨 아이콘 프레스 클라이디 네 like 클라이디 comment 클라이디 네 share 클라이디 너는 채널 사자 칸간게 네 채널 사진 북 클라위리디다 아셋마 bye see you next time